Hi, my name is Lori, and I'm going to show you how to get started with INFOSPACE so that you can display your events or room signage on a device for one or multiple locations. Before we begin, it is important to know from a technical standpoint that our digital signage will work with any device such as a smart TV or iPad that is Wi-Fi capable and/or able to receive or be pointed to a specific URL. For example, a Raspberry Pi added to a TV would work. To get started with adding a new display, go to the Facility Space menu, located on the top right of your dashboard under the My Modules drop-down. Next, go to Digital Signage, then the Displays option, located on the left sidebar. To add a new display, select the Add New Display button. Notice all of the display information fields with a red asterisk. These are required fields and need to be completed. I'm going to start by selecting my display type. I can choose from slides, list, or room signage. I'm going to select slides. Next, I need to set my display options, entering the display name. I'm going to call this Main Campus. Now I'm going to add my display title, which will be displayed on the screen and above my events and/or room signage. I'll call this Events. Now I'm going to choose my Display Events option. Here I have the following options: Events for today, for up to a certain number of hours, days, weeks, months, or I can select until a certain specific date. I'm going to show my events through December 31st, 2018. Next, you'll notice that there are options for the clock display. I can hide it, show the date only, show the date and time, or show the time only. I'm going to select Show Date and Time. This will show on the top right of my display screen. Next is setting up the layout. Here I can select my desired text color. I'm going to select the drop-down, then scroll until I find the right color and hue. I'm going to select light blue. Next, I'm going to select the space amount that I want around my text. I'm going to select 35. I'm also going to select a darker background color so that the light blue text color stands out. You have the ability to add any video or image files to put behind your digital signs. I can select a background file or no events background file, but this is not required. I can also opt to mute any audio files that I've selected. To upload additional files, go to the left sidebar, click File Library, where you can add the file name, and then choose a file from your computer to upload. Finally, there is the Data Setup, which is all optional. You can have your events refreshed at a certain time. When I click the drop-down menu, you can see that there are many options that I can choose from. I'm going to select every minute. For my display duration, I'm going to select 30 seconds from the drop-down menu. I want the display to just include the main campus events. And for categories, I want to show all. Notice under Spaces, I have the option to show events based on one or multiple spaces. I'm going to leave this blank to include all. I'm also going to check this box so that events are not displayed once they have ended. Next, I'm going to save my display settings. As a note, you can always make changes to your display settings by clicking the green Edit button. You can also delete a display by clicking the red trash can. Now I want to review my display. I can direct any monitor or smart TV to the URL that was generated to show the display. I'm going to select the display that I just set up, copy the URL, then paste to my browser and go. To switch to full screen mode, you can select the F11 key on your computer. I hope this video has been helpful with setting up your digital signage displays. If you have any questions, please reach out to support located within the Help drop-down on the top right of your dashboard. Our team is here for you and happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing eSPACE.